Hello everyone, welcome back to CyberSeek, and we'll be resuming all the walkthroughs that we were discussing in the previous episode of Over the Wire Bandit. We solved from level 0 to level 5, and in this episode, we'll be solving from level 6 to level 11. So let's begin with level 6. And the challenge that we have is the password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server and has the following properties: owned by the user Bandit 7, owned by Found, owned by group Bandit 6, 33 bytes in size. So in the previous level 5, we made use of find command, and today we are also going to use the same command for the same thing. So we'll type find, then forward slash. This means it's going to search in the entire system directory. Then we'll type what type of file we are mentioning. Now, since it mentions like owned by user bandit 7, we'll be using the switch user bandit 7, and the group is bandit 6, and the size type is 33. So for bytes, we use C in Linux. This is how it works. We already have a lot of discussion in the previous episode. Please go and watch the previous episode for this one. So we'll just hit enter and we will look for the directory file path which does not have a permission. It should be somewhere. Just trying to locate the directory. Where is it? Okay, no issues. Anyway, I've saved it somewhere so that I don't have to keep on juggling between the files. Look at the level 6. So from your end, you'll be getting this one as a file which does not have the permission. You have to copy it, paste it, just make sure you enter. Okay, not sure why we are getting this one. Okay, that's completely okay. You can try the same command from your end, and this will be the file path you'll be getting. You just have to do cat for this one, and this will be the password, which is something that you will get in this one. So we will do exit. Since I have already saved the password, I'll go to the next bandit, that is level 7. We'll see what we have in level 7. So it says that the goal is the password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt next to the word millionth. Okay, we'll do sh for bandit 7. We'll paste the password, hit enter. We have entered and now clear. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, you'll be getting this txt file with the name data. So, okay, the task is like this is a file. You have to check the strings, the content of this file, and from there you have to find the password which is very next to the word millionth. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll type strings, the data file, pipe, grep. Grep is used in order to find the exact location, exact word in that complete file, so that you don't have to juggle like what exactly, where is the right answer, the password, or the particular word in the complete file. So grep exactly provides you exact location very near to the location of the of the word or the reference that you're finding. So we want to find the password near to word millionth. And we will hit enter. So yeah, you can see the password next to the word is this one. We will copy it, we will exit, and we will move to the next bandit, that is bandit 8. Okay, why is it closed? Okay, hit enter. We are into bandit 8. We'll move forward to the goal. Okay, so the level says that the password for the next level is stored in the same file, data.txt, and it's the only line. I mean, the occurrence of that line will be once. So we have to find a line which is unique. So we'll look at where is the file. Okay, this is the particular file. We'll do strings. Strings actually provides the content of that particular file, whatever it has, so that you can read about it, but it will not be sorted in any order. Okay, Mauritius will do cat. Okay, it looks pretty different this time. So what I'm going to do is I am going to sort this data. Sort actually provides, okay, it actually sorts the line in ascending or descending order based on the requirement. We have multiple switches for the same thing. You can make other options from here. Just do man, that particular command, you get other options from here. And I am going to find, like, since we want the very unique line, so we will make use of the command unique. And we'll see what are the switch that we can use here. So since we want to find out the number of counts for each and every line that we have, so that we don't have to, like, it will be sorted and the uniqueness of the file will be there with the number of counts for each and every line that appears. So we want to find the count. We will make use of -c, hit enter, and we'll see that we'll try to find the line which occurs only once. Okay, and this is your password. We'll do copy. We'll exit from here and we'll move forward to bandit 9. Okay. Okay, not sure why it is closed. Okay. We'll paste the password. We are into bandit 9. We'll do clear and we'll go to level 9. Okay, let's see what's the goal. The password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt, and it's one of the few human readable strings preceded by several, okay, equal to characters. It means to say that the password will be very near to the character, this particular character, wherever it appears. So we'll try to locate this equal to in the complete file, so that whatever word, string, anything is there very near to this character, we'll be able to get it. So let's see where it is. Okay, this is the file. So what we're going to do is we will use the same thing, strings, in order to print all the characters that this file has. And this time we are going to use grep. As I mentioned, grep is used to find the words very near to the particular character or the appearance that you exactly want to see. That this particular word is where in the particular file. So this time we want to find the equal to character, and we don't want to pass any argument. So we'll do okay. So you can see a lot of character, but it mentions that it should be human readable. So I can find out that this looks like the password. We have it. Okay. We'll exit from here. We'll do SSH and move to Bandit 10. Paste the password, hit enter. You are into Bandit 10. Clear the file. Okay, we'll see what's the challenge. So this time it mentions that the password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt, which contains base64 encoded data. It's a very simplest form of encoding, which means to say that the word that appears in human readable form, it will be encoded with base64, and it will be like you won't be able to identify what it is in nature. I'll show you an example with you. Okay, this is the file we are locating. Okay, so we'll do cat in order to see what are the contents of this file. So this is the particular format. It will be followed by double equal to in the end or equal to plus something like that. So it becomes a format it becomes a format of base64. Now there is a command of base64. You do man base64 and see what options we have in order to encode the data and in order to print it in a standard format. So we'll be using -d. I'm directly going to use this on the data.txt file. So we'll use command base64. We'll use -d to decode and we'll type the file name. Now it is decoded and it is human readable. So here is your password. You copy it, exit from the current session. Now you enter to Bandit 11, which is our last level that we are going to discuss in this episode. Okay, clear. Let's see what challenge we have in level 11. Okay, the password for the next level is stored in the file format data.txt, where all the lowercase and uppercase letters have been rotated by 13. So it's kind of another, not completely you can say encryption, but it tries to exactly juggle with the characters so that the human readable format is not appearable to you. It's kind of a encoding method. We'll do ls-alps. Okay, here is the file name. So this time we are going to make use of CyberChef because it will be easy for us to do the rotation 13. But first we will see the contents of the data, what we have. Okay, so you can see it's in a juggling format, though it appears to be like human readable, but mostly encoded. So we'll go to, and there are other reading materials as well that you can go and read from here, that what exactly it does, how it does the rotation and how it can be encoded. What's the use of this rotation 13? So Bandit also provides you at each and every level the helping reading material that you can go through. I'll type CyberChef. Okay. I will copy the content. Go to CyberChef. Paste over here. We'll search for rotation 13. So what exactly is going to do this tool? You put the input and it has multiple operators from encoding, decryption, everything that whatever is encrypted, whatever is decrypted or encoded, you can do the vice versa. So here we have rotation 13 and we want to decode it. So we will use it and it's going to show us the exact details. So now this is your password. Okay, that's all for today. So in today's walkthrough, we have discussed from the level 6 to level 11. That's all. Thank you. Those who are new to the channel, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want any particular video in cybersecurity, please do mention that in the comment section. I'll go through it and I'll make sure that I move related videos. Thank you.